fill out the free and reduced apps because it not only helps you, but it also helps your school community. When you apply and are approved for either a free meal program or a reduced meal program, you are eligible for reduced music rental fees, reduced AP fees, reduced sports fees, but it also provides funding to your school to allow for extra tutoring and other programs that benefit the entire student body.
It's so exciting that this year everyone who's on the reduced program actually gets breakfast and lunch combo meal for free every school day, which is supported by a grant from the state of Arizona. It's so important that every family fill out an application for their household so that we get an accurate census of where the need is in our district and accurate percentages so that we can get extra support and funding for our schools.
So the application takes about 5 minutes to complete. You can do it via paper copy, or we have a link online on our website where you can fill it out. On the free and reduced lunch application, we collect data based on salary and other criteria. The data remains private. So again, it's not data that's shared throughout the district. It's not shared even with me, and I manage the Title I grant. It literally goes to Health and Nutrition Services and then up to the state for reporting so that they can calculate our Title I allocation, or at least that's part of how they calculate our Title I allocation. Even if a student doesn't qualify for free and reduced lunch, the more accurate data we can get across the entire district, basically the more money we'll get for programs that can be used, again, both at title schools and some programs that are district-wide and affect everyone.
The more households we have qualified for free and reduced meals, the more funding we get from the USDA to pay for labor, food costs.
Title I definitely funds nutrition for students, but it also funds things like math specialists, reading specialists. It funds teachers. It funds family engagement activities. It funds Chromebooks. It funds a myriad of things, supplies, materials. In addition, we purchase some intervention programs out of those title funds as well that really help those students who are struggling academically.
Let's say you're not sure if you'd qualify for free and reduced meals. It doesn't hurt to fill out the application. Even if it gets denied, it helps with our numbers to be a more accurate percentage.
As a district, we're required by both the state and the federal government to make sure that all of our schools are funded equitably. And so title funds really give us the opportunity to make sure that as we allocate state and local funds and we allocate title funds, we can put those additional resources and supports in place for those kids. Filling out that free and reduced lunch application is certainly not about finding out what you make. That's not really important to us. It's about getting as much accurate data as we possibly can across the entire district so that when those numbers and that information goes up to the state level, our allocation, frankly, is as large as possible so we can provide as many services as humanly possible to both students and staff.